My name is Prater. I'm the market leader for AUDIOVISIONS in Los Angeles, and I've been in the industry for over 2 decades. What do I like best about the industry? I would say that it's constantly changing and evolving and just never stands still. We're always at the forefront of emerging technology, and it's our job to first educate ourselves on those changes and then help our clients understand what those changes will mean for them along the way. I think a true integrator is somebody who captures your goals well and listens and can read between the lines and translate that into systems that are effortless to live with. Our role isn't to just design technology, it's to coordinate and guide decisions along the way so that everything works and flows seamlessly together. I see technology as applied sciences put into practice that make day-to-day life easier. What questions do I get from builders, architects, designers? I would say there's no specific question that I get from any of them with a lot of repetition. They're more so statements, and it's my job to listen to those statements and help them understand what it is they're asking for, and to show them what the options are so they can make better informed decisions. The best place for a homeowner to start is definitely with education. The more time you spend getting educated on the 7 or 8 categories that our channel is a part of today, the better the end result will be. Most of the clients that we meet with aren't aware of what's possible. They have a narrow understanding how it works, what the aesthetics look like, what the aesthetic options are, and the more time you spend getting educated up front, the better the end result will be. Motorized shades is the category we run into time after time that hasn't been accounted for. Even the best architects, in my opinion, overlook motorized shades as a category, and it's in almost all the framing circumstances I run into. There's either no framing for a shade pocket at all, shade detail for a single pocket in a situation where they want to have dual rollers, both a blackout and a sheer. So I definitely say motorized shades. The earlier you can get in with that and make sure you're space planning, the better. I think I would definitely say grid independence seems to be something that happens very late that requires planning and pre-construction. Also, this is a simple one, but below grade conduits. I've seen $30 million homes that have ugly conduits above grade that could have simply been in the slab or under the house for that matter had they been planned in advance.